Live from St. Andrew's Country Club in Boca Raton, Florida. Welcome to the 2012 Ruth Rales Jewish Family Service, a night of Hollywood gala. Ruth Rales Jewish Family Service proudly presents Isabel and Arnie Friedman, 2012 Ruth and Norman Rales Humanitarian Award honorees.
Many of you don't know that Arnie is 5 years older than I am, and I'm 50 pounds heavier than he is. We still get along very, very well. We count on each other, we speak to each other every day.
Strangers in the night.
I met Isabel 50 years ago. Arnie brought her over to the house for the first time. I knew when Arnie met her, he really had a wild feeling for her.
We'd be sharing love.
He came back from a Brooklyn College party, and he wasn't himself.
Something in your eyes.
He was happy, he was smiling, he was giggling, and I know he couldn't wait to see her.
I must have you.
And thinking back over the past 50 years with Arnie and Isabel, the most exciting time that I've ever had with them when Isabel gave birth to both the girls.
We just had a great childhood growing up with the Friedmans.
They're just great parents who basically did like everything for us and just wanted to make us happy.
And the grandchildren, they're everything, as everybody in this room knows.
Congratulations, Grandma and Papa. We love you.
Hi, Grandma and Papa. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you guys. I wish I could be with you right now. And I love you too. Congratulations again.
I love you and nobody else.
Isabel, I'm here to tell you that I love you and Arnie, and I am so proud to be part of this family. Arnie and Isabel receiving this award from Ruth Rales is very significant for them and for anybody involved in this charitable organization, as well as money brought in, of course, from all of their very dear friends who are here tonight. But time spent and really heartfelt thoughts concerned about the people that Ruth Rales serves. They're people who are less fortunate than all of us here for sure. Their hearts went into it, their time went into it, and they certainly are well deserved of this recognition. I wish more people would do the things that they do for other people. It would be a better place for all of us. It's really a blessing that there are people like Arnie and Isabel out there that care enough to put in the time and effort to take care of those less fortunate.
And never, never change. Keep that breathless charm.
So congratulations on your charitable work. You guys are the best. We love you.
Congratulations, you guys deserve it. We love you so much.
Just the way you look to